Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about how to enable dark mode in Windows 11. I highly recommend it as it's so much easier on your eyes, especially if you're going to be on the computer a long time. And especially if you're a programmer or someone in tech support. So what we're going to do is at the bottom of the screen here, this is your taskbar. We're going to right click with the mouse and we're going to go taskbar settings. A new screen is going to pop up and we're going to make sure that we click on personalization. So let's click that and then we're going to go to colors. On this screen there's many things you can change, but the one we're looking for is choose your mode. So you're going to click that and just go to dark mode. There, that was slower than usual, but now you can see your taskbar is now dark and every window is also dark. So I can go to my file menu here and you can see everything is in this dark mode, which is so much nicer. Thanks a lot for joining me, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you want to hear about. Anything computer related, leave a comment below. I'll try to make a video on it. Thanks a lot. Take care.